Yo, last time
No, I
last time I took a video, I got clipped.
Wait, I can't even. Wait, hold on. Yeah. What? I couldn't even see you do that. Do you get it? Camo.
Yo, where is this going? Like, is this just gonna be?
What happened?
Nothing.
Tim Cheese forgot to take his medicine.
That's our volleyball.
Is there any cookies, bro? Is there any food?
Of course you
Yeah, I'm
want
gonna
to
go push off the cliff, bro.
You wanna fucking die?
Yeah, let's go push off the cliff.
Wait, yeah,
bro.
can you kill me, Loki?
I got 2. Chubby bunny.
3.
Does that count? Chubby bunny?
Yeah.
I'll do the counting. Ready?
No chewing.
No.
4.
Yeah.
Fuck.
You are good. Why are you lighting your hand on fire? 5.
You got that. You got that. Keep going.
Hey guys, I have sticks over here for s'mores. Pass them around, Matt. Matt, can you give them to them?
Rip off the top of the.
All right.
Yeah, but can you pass
So
them
we're
down?
chewing.
Wait, 6 or 7?
I think this is 7.
Okay, yeah, this is kind of a waste. You're gonna throw up. I hope you do.
That was pretty good.
8. That's 8? I think we might have to count when you throw up.
Maddie.
No, Logan, stop.
Spread it. Okay. That's a long time.
Marshmallow before Tanner eats some. Yeah. Here, catch.
Can you put these in there?
Guys, the gram station's over here, so if you want a gram, you have to come over here.
Hey, like, will you make me a
Hey guys,
marshmallow?
I'm the graham cracker. I'm the
Rip
s'more.
off the top.
Oh. Matt, chill the fuck out now. I'm done with you. Ew. Spit it out.
Ew. Nasty ass.
Logan,
Rip off.
I need a gram. Over on Cami Sienna's channel, and we are making a s'more, so follow me along. First, I like them dark chocolate, so you gotta stick that thing in there and let it burn like a bitch. Burn like a bitch. I'll give it to you 1 second. Guys, say hi to my takeover.
Say hi to the vlog.
I'm teaching. Okay, look. So it's starting to burn. Show the burning effects. And you gotta like let it keep burning.
Yeah, we know.
And then you like to scare people with the burn.
That's TT Spams over there.
Oh man, you scared me again.
Yo, do we have any chocolate or crackers?
Yeah, Tara does it.
Yo, Taryn, can I get some chocolate?
I
Why is it red? I'll be, Who got dark chocolate? What the?
Oh no, Tara has normal chocolate.
Should we trade?
Don't like dark chocolate.
Yo, just give me like 1 sleeve,
Tara,
bro.
can you do mine, please?
Hey, let me get that joint.
No, guys, I'm a pro.
Are you videoing?
No, I already made mine.
Oh, Tara, can you make mine once it's ready?
Okay, say hi to the vlog, Evan.
Logan.
Show them around the beach.
We're at the beach with the view. With Patrick Sanchez and his nice blue good.
Fire. Look at that sunset, though. Sick. Yes,
The
Patty?
sunset when I was here during the summer was so nice.
Really? Yeah, Evan. Duh.
It was like big.
Evan's aura farming right now.
Aura farming.
Yeah, for real.
Yes, sir.
Dubs. Now it's like
Look at my head.
You heard me? They're all passing on. It's not a low TV game because you'll say yes.
Most likely to. Are you videoing?
yeah.
Okay.
Tanner, just.
Larry, you're hot. No. Oh, bad aim.
What? What?
That was okay, I'll tell you this. It was AJ's question, not mine. Okay, I better win. Wait, no. Tell him. Yes! No! Are you not playing?
Yeah.
Damn! Boom! That was boom!